Santorone Paint. I'm Manny, and today we are diving into episode 2 of our Enslaved Minotaur series. Quick head up, this episode is all about base color. We are laying the foundation for those violet robes and sinister gold accent. No details yet, just smooth, solid coats to make future step pop. Grab your brushes and let's build the flawless base foundation color. First up, the robes. We are using Vallejo Model Color Violet for a rich and even base. They need to a consistency like we did for the skin in the previous episode and apply 2-3 thin coats. Patience is key here. Quick pro tip. Thin layers prevent texture and ensure smooth coverage. Let each coat dry fully before adding the next. In Japanese lore, violet symbolizes mysticism, perfect for a demon whose equal parts elegance and terror. Once your final coat is dry, tidy any slips onto the skin or gold areas. Crisp edges now mean less hassle later. And have you ever rushed base coat and regret it? Let me know below, we'll be in there. And now next, the gold. Scale 75 Necro Gold gives the tarnished ancient look. Apply 2-3 thin coats to the mask accent, belt fitting, cuff and armor pad. This layer equals no clumps. Did you know that in Japanese myth called Word of Evil, but this Enslaved Minotaur is the evil? Let's make the goat look cursed. Can be repetitive, but remember, 2-3 thin coats of each color give us a solid base foundation. Keep practicing that and you achieve best result. And as you can see, the 2-3 coats pay off. Time to add hairy shadows. Glaze Vallejo Violet wash on with water over the gold. Let it pull in engraved pattern and armor edges. This ties the gold to the ropes and scream yokai magic. If the wash dulls the gold too much, don't panic, we will fix in the next step. After applying the wash, let the miniature dry for a couple of minutes, 5, 6 maybe, and after we are ready for the last step of today. After the wash, it's time to enhance those light again. We apply the Necro Gold to the highest point, mask the edges, the ridges, and the cuff and the shoulder part peaks. This brings back the metallic shine and makes the gold pop against the violet wash. Boom, base color has been done. If you're hyped for flying style 4 and a brand new camera setup in episode 3, smash subscribe and ring the bell. The full paint list is gonna be below, and let's keep this yokai party going. Thanks for joining in today. In episode 3 we are uniting the Minotaur's fur, with blazing reds and oranges, and putting a new camera for jaw-dropping close-up. Till then, keep your brushes cursed and your creativity wild. This is Manny signing off, happy painting and see you next time.